Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're doing good pagalots. And ayan, good morning, good afternoon. Kung nasan ka man ngayon, ayan, for today's video, we will be doing to watch. Ayan, may bago na naman tayong nakitang video. Wala iba kundi si Echo Clarida. So this is from the channel of Beauty Queen sa kanyang original YouTube channel. So as well guys, let's get in and sana masamahan nyo konsultan of this my reaction video. Talaga namang napakahalimaw nito guys sa pagdating sa kantahan. So let's go.
I remember the days when you were with me. Those laughters and tears we shed for you. Memories that we had for so long, sweet and you. Now you've gone away, you left me all alone. Turn you on, but this don't leave me. You break my heart. Hey, what should I do? Babe, I'm missing you. And please don't disappear. These are the words that you should hear. Time and time again, I wish that you were here. I don't wanna lose you, girl. I need you back to me. I don't wanna lose you, baby. Can't you see? Oh, I need you. You be the part of me. I wish to take you back home. 'Cause I really miss you, darling. Please come home.
Grabe! That is a Echo Clarida. Sa kanyang ang swabe. Talagang smooth. Kanyang boses guys. Ang galing. Please check out Echo Clarida. Ilalagay ko po sa link sa description ng kanyang link guys sa kanyang Facebook page para magkaroon ng Grabe, this is a normal day in the Philippines, ganyan. Sa bahay, simple, syempre nakapangbahay ka lang. And then, talagang ang lupit, no? Ang dami talagang magagaling na mga Pilipino ang pagdating sa awit, sa mga awit ay sobrang napakagaling, guys. So, that is for today's video. And I hope you like this, my reaction video. Sana magkita-kita tayo sa susunod na video. Thank you so much guys and see you on my next one.